This is miracle plant. Miracle plant is a wonderful plant. This plant can live even inside room and survive without stress. It can live without water. It can live without air. It can live without sun. This is a miracle plant indeed. It has a lot of medicinal value in poultry and livestock. If you are a poultry farmer, you can use this particular plant to boost the immunity of your poultry birds. It takes a lot of medicine. It has a lot of medicinal values. It can take care of CROD, bronchitis, infectious bronchitis. It can take care of viral infections, bacterial infections, can take care of parasites like coccidiosis, and many other issues in poultry and livestock. Are you bringing it down? It is indeed a miracle plant. See the plant here, you can see it. This is a wonderful plant. Very great in poultry and livestock. Four-legged animals can eat this plant directly without having any stress. But for poultry, they can't chew this. You can mix this with their food and give it to them directly also. How do you use this plant? Pluck the leaf. As you see, this is powerful. It's a powerful plant. You can see it here. It's a wonderful plant. It's a plant you can play with as a poultry or livestock farmer. This plant can survive. You can see these ones are the new offspring. They are just going up. It can grow and can last as many years as possible. Anywhere you keep this plant, it can survive. Even inside the room, it can survive. I will show you the ones I dropped early this year. It is still inside the room. The room is locked and it is still surviving. It's a wonderful plant. Do you have viral infections in your poultry? Do you have bacterial infections? Do you have parasites attacking your poultry and livestock animals? This plant can take care of it. Like infectious bronchitis, cough, CROD. Is your poultry birds not breathing well? Are they not eating well? Are they having stress? You can use this plant to boost their immunity. It can reduce stress in poultry and livestock birds. It can at the same time enhance the feed conversion and feed oxidation in poultry and livestock animals. It can take care of gut health in poultry. It can take care of parasites like both endoparasite and ectoparasite like worm, intestinal worms and outer worms like lice. How do you make use of this plant? Let's go there. Let me tell you how you're going to make use of the plant so that you get the best benefit from this plant. This is handful. This will give you about 500 grams. What you need is, as it is like this, pound it very well. If you have blender, blend it properly. After blending it, extract the juice and use the juice and serve your poultry birds. You can give this directly to your four-legged animals: goat, sheep, cattle, pig, guinea fowl, rabbit, and others. But for chicken and other feathered animals, you can blend it and give it to them. Give the juice to them. That's the only thing you need. This is enough for 100 birds for 3 days. What you need to do is dilute it with at least 1 liter of water every day and give it to your birds. Make sure they drink it within 24 hours. Then you give them fresh water. The 3 to 5 days is the dosage. Thank you. Let's get the pause. Hello. Miracle plant leaf that cures and boosts poultry and livestock fast. Natural remedy every poultry farmer must know. Hello farmers and livestock lovers. Welcome to my channel, your #1 source for organic and practical poultry tips. In today's video, we are diving deep into a miracle plant leaf that has been used by traditional farmers across Africa and Asia, yet many modern farmers still overlook it. This green gift from nature is not just cheap and accessible, it is a powerful medicinal and nutritional booster for your poultry and livestock animals. So if you want to reduce mortality, boost immunity, and improve performance without spending so much on synthetic drugs, this particular plant is your target. Don't just play with this plant. It is a wonderful plant every poultry farmer should embrace to reduce the cost of running the poultry and livestock animals. So if you want to improve everything concerning the health of your poultry and livestock animal, this is a very good supplement you should use. Stay tuned till the end of this video. 12 medicinal and health benefits of miracle plant leaf juice in poultry and livestock animals. #1, natural antibiotics. Miracle plant leaf juice helps fight bacterial infections in the gut, respiratory tract, and wounds. 2. Immune system booster. It is very rich in antioxidants and biotic compounds that increase disease resistance. 3. It improves digestion. It aids in better feed conversion and nutrient absorption in birds and livestock. Number 4. It prevents respiratory infections in poultry and livestock animals. It reduces symptoms of cough, cold, CROD, and infectious bronchitis and Newcastle-like infections naturally. Number 5, antiparasitic properties. It expels worms and external parasites when used correctly over time. Faster growth and weight gain. Are you a broiler farmer or are you into fast-growing birds? This particular plant is a go area for you. It enhances feed conversion and metabolism for better broiler growth rate and weight gain. It increases egg production. In layers best, this juice improves shell quality and increase egg count. And are you ready to get jumbo eggs in your laying beds? This particular plant is one of the wonderful plants you should not joke with if you want jumbo eggs. Wound healing agent. It speeds up recovery from injuries and infections through topical and oral use. Detoxification support. It flushes out toxins from the liver and bloodstream, enhancing vitality and weight gain. Stress relief in hot weather. It calms animals during heat stress and transport time. Are you transporting animals from one location to another location? Are you changing their poultry pen? This particular plant should be given to them after the changeover because it reduces the heat stress and transport issues, reducing death and mortality rates during this period. Natural appetite stimulant. It encourages weak or sick animals to eat, aiding recovery from infection and from injuries. Cost-effective organic solution. It saves money by reducing dependence on antibiotics, multivitamins, and other synthetic medications. This is the process of gathering the miracle plant leaf. You can see here I am uprooting the leaves now. I'm harvesting the leaves. After harvesting the leaves, the next step is to wash it thoroughly for use in poultry and livestock. Watch, this is the harvesting process. I'm just plucking the leaves. This is the plant itself. You can see it is live. It is planted here. You can see I'm removing the leaves here now. Thereafter, I will take it to the next step, which is washing it thoroughly. Let's take it and wash it so that we can prepare it for our poultry and livestock animals. Let's get there. This is a wonderful plant. You don't just joke with this plant. Really. This is handful. This will give you about 500 grams. What you need is, as it is like this, pound it very well. If you have blender, blend it properly. After blending it, extract the juice and use the juice and serve your poultry beds. You can give this directly to your four-legged animals: goat, sheep, cattle, pig, guinea fowl, rabbit, and others. But for chicken and other feathered animals, you can blend it and give it to them. Give the juice to them. That's the only thing you need. This is enough for 100 birds for 3 days. What you need to do is dilute it with at least 1 liter of water every day and give it to your birds. Make sure they drink it within 24 hours. Then you give them fresh water. The 3 to 5 days is the dosage. Thank you. Let's get the pause. This is the squeezing process. Here, wash it. After washing it thoroughly, the next thing is to blend it. If you have blender, if you don't have blender, you have grinder, grind it. If you don't have grinder, you can use your hand and squeeze it. See how we are squeezing it here to squeeze out the juice from this miracle plant. It is a wonderful plant indeed. It is light and it is soft to squeeze out. See how we are doing it here. Squeeze it out if you have the strength. If you don't have the strength, blend it. If you don't have the blender, grind it. Any means you can use to squeeze out the juice. The main thing we need here is the juice. The means you use to get it out is not our concern. It's going to serve you the best also. Oh yeah, this is the miracle plant leaf juice. It has been extracted as I asked you to do. Here we want to let's put inside this cup so that you see how it looks like. This is the juice. It is very greenish. This is, you can see it. This is what you're going to keep. You're going to keep this for your poultry and livestock animals. What do you need to do? This particular cup can serve as much as 500 birds. What you need to do is to extract 20 ml of this particular juice on daily basis and add 10 liters of water. Administer this to your 100 birds or more than that, depending on the number of birds you have. 10 ml to 20 liters of water on daily basis. Share it to your poultry birds. If it finishes, you still extract more juice. Get more for your birds. This is the waste. This waste can be served to your poultry. Mix this with your feed and still serve. You don't throw this away. This is a very powerful food for your poultry and livestock animals. If you are into chicken, feathered birds, mix this with your feed. After mixing with the feed thoroughly, give the feed to them. They will eat everything. You will not even see any remnants at all. This is a very powerful food. Don't just throw it away. This is the extract after extracting the juice from the miracle plant. This is it. Wonderful plant. And there you have it. 12 amazing benefits of the miracle plant leaf juice for your poultry and livestock. Instead of always running to expensive synthetic products, nature has given us a solution right in our backyard. Start using this miracle leaf plant today and watch your animals transform in health, size, and productivity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more natural farming secrets. Drop a comment if you want us to review the exact plant name or more local herbs used for top farmers. Are you ready to go into organic plants? Are you ready to go into organic farming? Do you want to plant this plant in your backyard and you don't have it? Drop your comment on the comment section. Let me know if I can send it to you. This is a wonderful plant. This plant can even grow inside a room. It is a plant that you don't mix at all. See you in the next video, and remember, healthy animals are happy farmers. If your animals are healthy, you are a happy farmer. Please do well to subscribe to our channel community membership. Make sure you are also subscribed to both channels, both Poultry Side TV and Dr. Luna, so that you get updates from all the both channels, because I post my videos on each of the channels on daily basis. Thank you for watching. Share this video to reach more farmers. If you are a patriotic poultry farmer, share this video. Let other farmers get the same knowledge we have gotten from this particular video. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video, loading very soon. For now, till the next video is uploaded. Bye.